Hello, good morning, brother. How are you?
Okay, good morning, brother. I'm very good. Yes, how are you, bro?
I am also good. Thanks for asking. So, we are
Okay,
meeting first time today. So, before we go ahead with our conversation, can we give introduction to each other?
sure. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. After that, you can. Okay, brother, my name is Sindhu Malik and I am from Uttar Pradesh. And I am from Western Uttar Pradesh. It is near to Haryana, you can say. And I completed my graduation in 2011. After that, I left my education and started working in agriculture field with my parents. But after few years, I started my shop. This is a stationery shop, and I have been working as a shopkeeper for 4 or 5 years, around 4 or 5 years, and yeah, there are three members in my family: me, my wife, and my 3.5 years old son. So, if I talk about my hobbies, I like to play outdoor games. Like sometimes I like to play badminton and cricket. And if I get chance, I find the children and the persons are playing some local games, then I try to participate in that type of games. And then if you are from village, you can understand there are some local games like that. I try to participate and play with them. So yeah, but recently I changed my interest, and I am very much interested in learning this language. So I used to watch videos on YouTube earlier, but before some days I found a group there I can talk with the people like you and me,
Mhm.
who are learning this language. So it is a very difficult thing if we live in a village. There is no one with whom we can practice of spoken English. So it is a very nice opportunity for me. Then we can talk the people, the good people like you. So yeah, brother, now I am very much interested in learning this language. So yes, that's all about me. And now it's your turn. You can tell me about you something.
That was great introduction from your side. Okay, so now I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Vishal Sana, and I am from Delhi. And right now, I am working professional as an operation executive in a solar company. That's all about me. And if I talk about
Okay.
yeah, if I talk about my English journey, so I have been doing practice of speaking English for 8 to 9 months.
8 to 9 months.
Yeah, for 8 to 9 months.
Okay, that's
And specifically, if I tell about the video conversation, so that I have been doing for 1 month.
1 month. That's very good. That's very good, and you are really working very hard. That I can see the progress within very short time. You are really very hardworking, I can say, in this field, and yeah, you can get fluency within few months. Yeah, that's very good, bro.
Thank you so much. So, may I know, by the way, for how long have you been speaking in English?
Actually, around 1.5 month ago, I uh, I joined this group, but actually I'm not very active in this group. I can say this is my fourth or fifth conversation with you. But these conversation that we had with the people, or in this group, these are not very long. These are very short conversation, like 15. And I think one or two conversation is long, 20 or 25 minutes. uh, but these are very short conversation, 10 to 15 minutes. So actually, I didn't get a lot of exposure talking with people like you on video calling. It's a fourth or fifth conversation with you. But I joined this group around 1.5 months ago. But I don't get much time because of some my working. hours like that. So yeah, but from today I will try to connect as much as possible, because according to me, it depends completely on our practice. It's not like that we are genius or we are very intelligent people, but if we practice then we can learn it, and if we don't practice then we cannot learn it. It's the simple rule behind this language, and I can say behind every language we have to practice if we want to learn any language. So if I am not practicing, if I have not been practicing this language, so it will be very difficult for me to learn this language. So I will try to give more time to give to this language. So yes, brother, this all about me and experience in this group.
So that's perfect. And as I can say, you are speaking in a well manner. Anyone can understand your language. You are very clear with your speaking part. And if you continue like this, definitely you will achieve a great fluency, and you will just influence people also to speak in English. Definitely,
Yes, brother. Yes, brother. Because it completely depends on our practice. It's not like that. I know I make mistakes, and every beginner makes mistakes. But if we try to speak, then first of all, we our intention should be a perfect should not be a perfect speaker. Our intention should be a fluent speaker, a natural speaker. After that, we can correct where we make mistakes. So this making mistakes is not a big problem. We can rectify it later. But the main thing, we should have the confidence to speak in front of the other person, in front of the people. So if it is very difficult for me to speak where the people are talking in English, so I'm not that much confident still. So yeah, but I can get that much confidence if I talk in video conversation. Yeah, yes, brother, you're right.
that's wonderful thing which you have shared. And okay, so may I know, do you have YouTube channel?
Yeah, but I didn't upload any video. Just a video of me and my son, and we are talking in that video in Hindi and English. But after some time when I get some fluency in my in speaking, I will try to upload some video. Actually, I'm not that much confident. I'm not that much crazy that I can face the people like that. So it's because I didn't upload any video on my YouTube channel. Just one video at my YouTube channel with my son, and we are speaking in Hindi and English both in that video.
Okay, but in my perspective, as I can feel, you're very good in speaking part. You should start uploading videos. Definitely,
Okay.
definitely you will get views. Your subscriber will also increase. So you should
Okay.
start from now onwards, I think, because you already have YouTube channel, so you can just record and you can upload the videos.
Okay, the YouTube making a YouTube channel is not very that much difficult, but I think I have to learn how to edit a video, how to make thumbnail like that, and I will try to do how I can edit videos and thumbnails like that. I don't know what is necessary to start a YouTube channel, but I think these are two things which are mandatory to learn before starting a YouTube channel. So if you are suggesting me, I want to thank you. And if you say I can do it, then I will certainly do it as much as as early as possible. So yeah, I will try, because one more thing, if I upload the video, then I can get confidence. If I um, get the view and comment with the other people and like that.
Of
So
course.
your suggestion is very precious to me, and it boosts confidence in me, and I will try to do uh, to start a YouTube channel. So thank you very much, bro. Yeah, if you say this.
Actually, as far as there is a concern of making YouTube thumbnail, so you can make YouTube thumbnail by using ChatGPT.
Okay,
ChatGPT
okay.
will make YouTube thumbnail for you.
In ChatGPT, we can make can we make an image? Is it possible?
Yeah, you can make.
Okay, okay, okay.
And a part of that, if I talk about editing videos, so you can use VN app for editing videos. Like if you want to cut any part from that videos or anything, so there is an app which is VN, which you can get from Play Store. You can download it.
Okay, okay. Okay, sure.
Yeah, you will be able to edit it because it's very easy to use that
Yeah.
app.
Yeah, I'm beginner, so I would like to use very easy application that will take very less time. So yeah.
And as you are your own boss, so you can manage your time. You're not working under anyone.
No, no,
You're
there is no problem. I can manage if I want to talk with someone like that, and then I can say to my wife, you can sit for some time at my shop. So there is no problem for me. But I think it's just because I do not have enough confidence. I can do it or not. So
you
if
have to have enough
yeah,
confidence. You have enough confidence. Don't say like that. Okay, as I
yeah,
can feel. Yeah, definitely. You
yeah.
have everything, whatever is needed to make conversational. Let's start.
Okay, sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, bro.
You said you are living in eastern part of Uttar Pradesh, right? Eastern part,
Western
western
part
part
of
of Uttar Pradesh.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, what is the name of the area where you're living right now?
Actually, my district name is Samli, and it's not very far from Delhi. It's around 100 kilometer away from Delhi.
Lee.
And after that, if we go towards Delhi, then we find Bagpat and like Ghaziabad, and after that we can get
Exactly.
Delhi. Yeah.
Exactly. So I believe you must have heard about Gadganga Bridge Ghat
Yeah, I have heard. Actually, I have watched Gadganga Ghat
in YouTube.
around 2 years ago. Once I went there with my relative. Yeah.
Okay, so let me tell you, that is my village.
Ah,
Bridge Ghat.
okay, that's a very nice area. I watched there are very beautiful villages. I have watched when I went there, and very nice place I can say.
Yeah, because it is known as mini Haridwar nowadays. So, many
Yeah, 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 yeah.
like people go to take water from Haridwar. In the same way, people come to Bridge Ghat also to take water in the month
Yes,
of
yes,
Shravan. Yeah,
yes, yes. The people who are living near Gadganga, they went there every year, like that. I have heard the stories, and they go every year. I don't know in which month, but I have heard they go there in their um, uh, he buffaloes cart like that, and there are a huge population of people, and yeah, that's very interesting, and I love that. Yeah.
yeah. There is so much rush when there is a fair of Dashera Mela.
Okay, okay, okay.
When it comes the time of Dashera Mela, then people come from many places, and it becomes very crowded there. You will not get a chance to just go in a minute from just from one place to another place. It will take so much time because many people gathered at the same time.
Okay, yeah. That's once before, I think before 2 years, one my relative we wanted to go Haridwar, but he was in Meerut. I think you know Meerut, and he was in Meerut. Then he called me, "You can come here, and we'll go Gadganga Ghat this times. We won't go. Haridwar. We will go Gadganga Ghat this year. Then before 2 years, I visited there, and it's a very holy and sacred place, we can say, and there are many priests and they are doing worships like that. I have watched, but we went there only to have bath in Ganga Ji, and it's what was really amazing. Yeah,
Perfect, perfect.
yeah, brother.
So how is the weather condition over there right now?
I don't know right now. I went there 2 years ago. There was pretty
No, no,
good everything. Yeah,
place right now in your place. How is the weather condition?
whether it's hot, it's very hot. I can say it's now I can say the weather 30 degrees Celsius right now, but it goes 40, 42. Yeah,
Right.
before. Yeah, it's very hot.
Okay. In my place, the weather condition is today very pleasant. It's cloudy weather. Okay, and
Yeah.
yeah, right now I feel like just walk outside only because
Okay.
wind is
Are
also
you
blowing.
are you
And
at your village today?
no, 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 I'm not at my village. I'm at my workplace. So right now I have
Okay,
got
okay.
some break. That's why I came out of my office and I'm talking to you.
Okay, sorry, sorry. Then where are you? Where are you living right now?
Right now I'm living in Delhi at Uttam Nagar East.
Okay, in Delhi there is very nice weather right now.
Right now the weather is good.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. I think you got the rain before 1 or 2 day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, because of that. But we got rain 4 day ago. But um, when that day we got rain, the weather was pleasant, but the temperature is increasing day by day. And right now I can see the temperature in front of me. It's around 30 degrees Celsius,
All right.
and in the morning it's hot, we can say. But if we go towards noon and around 2 p.m. it will be very high. I think so.
Okay, brother. So now we can wrap up our conversation and definitely
Okay,
meet again in our next
okay,
meeting.
okay,
And
thank you very much.
then
Thank you
you
very much, brother. And if you get time, then you can send me message directly on in my WhatsApp. So yeah, thank you very much, brother. If
thank
you
you, thank
have time, yeah. Bye bye, bro.
you. Bye.